Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the remaining part of question number 2nd. In this case again you have to find the area of the rectangle, and in this case length is given as 20x square and breadth is given as 5y square. We know that area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. For this case length is equals to 20x square. So length will be 20 is multiplied by x square and breadth will be 5y square. So it should be 5y square. Again, if you want to multiply this, constant term should be multiplied by constant term. So this will come out 100, and when variable is multiplied by variable, because these variables are different, so these will remain as they are. So the area in this case must be equals to 100 x square y square. In this case length is given as 4x and breadth is given as 3x square, and area is equals to length into breadth. So for this case length is 4 multiplied by x and breadth is 3 multiplied by x square. So again constant term multiplied by constant term will give 12, and when this variable is multiplied by this, because these are same, we know that their power are added. In this case if nothing is written, it can be considered as 1. So when these power are added, so x will become power 3. So in this case area will be 12x cubed. Thank you.